In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo to your Insightly email signature. By following these steps, you'll integrate your brand seamlessly into your communications, helping to maintain a professional image with your contacts. Before we get started, you'll need to ensure that your logo is hosted on a publicly accessible server or an image hosting service, and you'll have the URL handy. This URL is crucial for linking your logo in the email signature. First, open a web browser of your choice and search for Insightly. Once you've reached the Insightly homepage, log in to your account with your credentials. If you have multiple accounts or user profiles, ensure you're logging into the correct one. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile menu, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This is where you can manage your personal settings, including your email signature. Click on it, and then proceed to the User Settings. Within User Settings, you'll see the Email Signature option, which is what we need to modify. You'll be presented with an area to create or edit your email signature. Here, you'll want to click on the HTML button, usually represented by the symbols. This will switch the interface to allow HTML editing, which provides more customization options than the standard text editor. Once in the HTML view, locate the spot within the signature code where you want your logo to appear. This is typically at the beginning or end of your existing text, or wherever you think it visually fits best. Remember, this is a design element, so consider the balance and aesthetics of the signature layout. Now, it's time to insert your logo. Use the HTML image tag, which starts with, followed by your image source. For example, you should input replacing your image URL here.jpg with the actual URL of your logo. Double-check that you're using the correct URL to prevent broken image links. After inserting your logo, click on the HTML button again to exit the HTML view. This will return you to the regular signature preview mode, allowing you to see how your logo appears in the context of your full email signature. It's important to review your work for any errors or formatting issues. Finally, don't forget to click the Save Email Signature button at the bottom of the page. This will ensure that all the changes you've made take effect. Once saved, your logo will automatically appear in all emails sent through Insightly CRM, helping to reinforce your branding in every communication. With your logo neatly integrated into your email signature, you're now set to make every email look more professional and personalized. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more easy-to-follow guides.